But I have to say, so far I've only seen the testing centre, so that was interesting. It's really good to see every bus is tested before it goes out to the customer. We're quite used to in Australia, you might get a vehicle delivered and then you test it on the runs, and then there's problems, and then you've got to send it back to the manufacturer to be fixed after you've taken delivery. So it's good to see it fixed before we even get it. So that was good.
And it's very, for us it's very good to see, because we bought some of these buses, and it's good to see how thorough you guys are with the testing, making sure that it's safe for us.
This is the first time I'm seeing a bus like this, and was very interested to know how this is connected.
We're very impressed with the dash layout and the facilities that the driver has available to them. It looks like a very comfortable design and looks like something that will work in Australia.
After sales service is huge for us, and support for the vehicle. The build quality is probably not questioned, but the after sales support is what our priority is, to support the product when things may not always go right.